Hello and welcome. I'm Pranab Prakhar. Let's take a look at newspaper headlines published from Delhi today. First, the Hindustan Times. Parrikar sworn in as Goa CM. Floor test, which is tomorrow, that is today. Supreme Court orders test within 48 hours. Refuses to stay the swearing-in ceremony of the Parrikar government. Manohar Parrikar government, the Chief Minister of Goa. MCD election on April 22nd. Kejriwal wants EVMs out. Nearly 1.34 crore voters will decide the fate of political candidates in 272 seats of 3 civic bodies in the city: NDMC, SDMC and EDMC. So there are municipal election in Delhi on 22nd of April. Trump era powers Indian interest in Canada. In the backwash of Trump effort, universities in Canada are witnessing a surge in the number of applicants from India. Moving ahead to the Hindu newspaper. On computing ability, rural India is lost in the wood. Just 8.8% of the population can use PCs, smartphones, according to a study. National Sample Survey Office NSSO data reveals. Amrinder bats for Rahul elevation. The much awaited elevation of Sri Rahul Gandhi, the Vice President of the oldest Congress party in India, is yet to see his elevation from Vice President post to the President post, which is currently being held by his mother. Can he wrestle his place to the numero uno position in Congress party? This time, Punjab Chief Minister, Congress CM candidate, CM in fact now, Captain Amrinder Singh bats for Rahul Gandhi. BJP combined invited to form government in Manipur. Biren Singh to be sworn in as Chief Minister of today. So BJP, out of the 5 assembly election which happened earlier this week, with the counting for which happened earlier this week, BJP to form government. So the 5 states where recent elections were held, BJP will form government in 4 of those states, which is Goa, Manipur, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Punjab goes to Congress party. Parrikar back in Goa saddle, ordered to prove majority in House. According to the Indian Express, in Imphal, Biren gets call from Raj Bhavan to lead state. Durban out, IOA want to host CWG in India's 75th year. Commonwealth Games were last hosted in India in 2010. India may throw its hat in the ring for hosting 2020 Commonwealth Games. A senior Indian Olympic Association official said they were weighing the options of stepping in as a replacement for Durban, which was stripped of the quadrennial event on Monday, if the government lends its support. Cotton variety, which needs only 100 days to mature, develop. Well, that's the good news for farmers. Rahul take no blame. Congress veteran call for cardiac surgery. Well, if BJP takes 4 out of 5 states, Rahul Gandhi, Congress Vice President, doesn't see any problem in that. According to Indian Express, it says Rahul takes no blame. Moving ahead to the Times of India, Supreme Court Collegium paves way for peace with government. Ends 1-year impasse by finalizing judicial appointment procedure. So now Supreme Court judges appointment will see the daylight. MCD election in Delhi on 22nd of April. No BJP ticket to sitting councillors. Supreme Court advances Goa government floor test to Thursday. Congress a little down in UP. Rahul says even as angry brew over Goa. So according to Rahul Gandhi, there is just a little downer for Congress because Congress is out of 5 states and has come in power in only 1 state out of total of 5 states. So Rahul feel it is just a little down. Indian American gets top US healthcare job, likely to push reform, and C is Seema Verma. Before we move to the business dailies, let's take a small break. Don't go away. We'll be back soon.
हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के लिए सुने तरंग ऑनलाइन रेडियो। भारतवंशियों से जुड़े तरंग ऑनलाइन रेडियो के संग। सुनते रहिए तरंग डिवोशनल, अध्यात्म की बातें। देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए लॉग ऑन करें हमारा वेबसाइट www.pmipl.in। आप सुन रहे हैं तरंग डिवोशनल।
आध्यात्म से जुड़े। Welcome back. Let's take a look at Mint newspaper. The first news says Flipkart banks on smartphones to boost sales in financial year 18. Only last week they were reducing order from Flipkart purchaser. Nifty at record high as hope trumps fear. Investors look for more reform, but analysts warn about complacency. Retail inflation quickens for the fourth quarter in 6 months, rises to 3.65%. So there is a little concern for the Modi government. Mahindra pitches Verito as a successor to Ambassador car. So Mahindra is want to get into the shoes of Ambassador car, the then old Ambassador car. Moving ahead to the Economic Times, Nifty buys into UP verdict, hits high on reform hopes. 50 share index hits life high of 9,122.75. Sensex surges 616 points. BJP will prove majority in Goa, Nitin Gadkari. SEBI probes broker bus collusion in dark fiber link. Nestle unwrap mission to make your bite healthier. Company cutting salt and sodium in Maggi noodles. Reducing sugar in Kit Kat chocolate and dairy product. Stepping up portion control in Munch. So there, the jury is out. Nestle has finally accepted that there was salt and sodium overdose in their Maggi noodle. Remember the fiasco about Maggi noodle a couple of years back. Now Kit Kat chocolate will have reduced sugar. So there also in sugar also, in chocolate also, Nestle has learned, and there is a jury is out there that what Nestle was doing was not right. 3 Coal India subsidiaries slash valuation of shares by 75%. So that's all we have in this edition of English newspapers. We'll be back tomorrow once again. It's goodbye from Pranav Prakhar.